In this video, I will show how to write this right arrow. So there are some methods. First one, click on insert, then equation, click on this drop down and select here this right arrow. Another way, slash and type 2, then press spacebar one time. Another way, slash greater than and dash greater than. So you can write this right arrow. Similarly, you want to write any type of arrow. So insert equation, and here in basic math you need to select arrows. So all direction arrows you will find here, and all type of arrows you will find here. Just select it. So thanks for watching.